Hi, we're going to be doing a little mix-up. So, we're going to be playing Survive the Disasters. Of course, we're going to be playing other games. We're not just going to be playing this game. So, my name
No, I know what this does.
Sorry guys, I just had to check something. So we're gonna play Flood Survivor. So this is based on we have to get to higher. Sorry. So this is based on basically if you die, you come up here and you see everything else down there. You see a girl. And this is me. As you know, I don't get dressed casual. But we have to survive a natural disaster. And some of you may know roblox. Some of you might. But if you see up there, that's a sign of natural disaster. So, whoever survives. I mean, there's no such thing as that you can't survive. So basically, we're going to get to higher ground. We have to get to higher ground before this tornado strikes. Because when it strikes, it's game over. As you can see, there's other people playing. And you see everything is getting flooded. Everything is breaking apart. And I am really not trying to die today. So, if I was the only one to survive, they would say my name. They will all be like, whoever, that's this. But it's only just, half of us. So, next we will be playing The Floor is Lava. So, hopes on that. As you can see, other people are running around like tarnations. But guess what? That's what people do to survive. As you can see, there's not a lot of buildings. But look, you can see the flood coming, so just hope that we survive. But, that's just how it goes. Yeah, the buildings are going to start crumbling. But guess what? We can still survive this natural disaster. And if we don't, it's okay. So, we're probably going to survive again. So, as you can see, somebody standing on the statue. So, they're basically lucky. I'm going to try. See? That's me. I survived. Okay, guys. I'm going to end this part here. But, not yet. We got to still go through. Like I said, the floor is lava. But guess what? We need to hurry up before we die. And if we die, I am going to push everybody down. So y'all just better look that I make it up here. Because if I don't, everyone's going to die today. So, as you can see, the flood has already hit. So I made it just in time. But unfortunately, this place is going to break down. Because the flood is so strong that it can destroy this place. But guys, we're going to do the floor is lava in the next place. We're going to do this part here. Bye guys.